firefighters known as the Yarnell Hotshots. To lose someone can be the hardest part in life, and unfortunately we lose people we love and people we don't know every day. Here at Desert Shadows, we consider ourselves family. Without this family, I'd be lost in the world. Now, we may not have known these firefighters personally, but they were a family, and we're part of a family, and many are lost in this world without them. Although the 19 firefighters are not part of our family, they are our heroes. They are our heroes because they risked their lives to fight a raging fire that threatened many people. That fire took the following lives: Andrew Ashcraft, Kevin Boyjet, Anthony Rose, Eric Marsh, Christopher McKenzie, Robert Caldwell, Clayton Whitted, Scott Norris, Dustin Deford, Sean Missner, Garrett Zupiger, Travis Carter, Grant McKee, Travis Turbyfill, Jesse Steed, Wade Parker, Joe Thurston, William Mornick, and John Pearson. I'm Madison Nightingale, and the following is a song I composed as a tribute to the 19 loved hotshots that are not here today. It is called 19 Heroes.